All right, let's talk about essential oils and Tuel essential oil blends in particular. Today I am going over the Moisture Nourishing Essential Oil Blend. Yellow label means it's for dry skin. Small pores, does not produce sebaceous oil. Some of the key ingredients are geranium, bergamot, mint, and rosemary. These ingredients are specific for dry skin. Again, yellow label. And our essential oil blends are beautiful. They are plants for the skin. They are quite concentrated. So retail is going to be 15%, and for you professionals, it's 25%. That doesn't mean more is better. What that means is in the professional treatment, we only use a couple of drops. Retail also only a couple of drops, and you want to put it on with your hand and face slightly moist, couple of drops, and spread it over your face, neck, and chest. It's yummy, it smells divine, it's beautiful for your skin. Pure plants for you.